Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to choose between accounting stock versus physical stock in Zoho Inventory. This is an important decision that affects how your inventory levels are tracked and updated, so understanding the difference will help you manage your stock more accurately. First, open a web browser and navigate to zoho.com/inventory. Once you're on the page, log into your Zoho Inventory account using your credentials. Make sure you're using an account with administrative access, as you'll need the right permissions to modify these settings. After logging in, you'll need to access the settings menu. Look for the gear icon located at the top right corner of your screen and click on it. This icon is your gateway to all configuration options within Zoho Inventory, so it's essential to know where it is. From the settings menu that appears, look for the section labeled Setup and Configurations. Under this section, select General. This area contains the core settings that control how your inventory system operates, including the crucial stock tracking options we're focusing on today. Once you're in the general configuration area, scroll down until you find the option called Mode of Stock Tracking. This is where you'll make the key decision between two different tracking methods. You'll see two options presented here: physical stocks and accounting stocks. Take a moment to read through the description stated in each option. Physical stock tracking updates your inventory only when you physically receive or ship items, while accounting stock tracking updates inventory based on invoices and bills, regardless of physical movement. Understanding this distinction is vital for accurate inventory management. If you want to change your tracking mode, click on the Change button next to either option. A pop-up menu will appear asking you whether you want to automatically or manually reconcile your physical stock for standalone invoices and bills. The automatic option streamlines the process, while manual gives you more control over adjustments. Once you've made your preferred changes, click Save to apply them. Your inventory tracking mode is now configured according to your business needs, ensuring your stock levels update in the way that makes most sense for your operations. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.